Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install front speakers with tweeters in Mazda Axela. So I've already opened the door panels and I already installed the speaker spacer here. So what I'm doing is I need to find a wire which is going to tweeters, which is here. And so what I have found is here's the main adapter for Mazda, from where we can see all the speakers wire going from here. So what I'm gonna do in this case, I'm gonna run these front speaker wires from here to tweeters and to these front speakers. So I'm gonna disconnect these 4 wires and I'm gonna use those 2 component sets to use woofer and tweeters, and I need to run new wires to the tweeters, and we can use same wires for our front speakers, because we cannot run wires through the door. It is very complicated. As you can see, we normally use factory wires. In this case I found this adapter. Normally you cannot see this kind of video on YouTube, because I was trying to find out from where they look for the tweeters wire, but couldn't find anything. So I found this adapter here, which is very helpful. So I will start my job now, and you can use this adapter to see which one is your speaker front and back, positive and negative, and I will also tell you which one is positive from this side and which one is negative. And yeah, so from this side we got a black and red. This is our positive and this is our negative wire. So I'm gonna connect this speaker's wire, and we'll begin shortly. So it's time to fit this new tweeter in the old one. So I'm gonna drill this so that we can fit our new tweeter in there. I'm using this drills to drill the hole here. This is the size of this new tweeter. So I already drilled the hole, and we can see our tweeter has been fit properly. It's a nice fit, and now we can install this. So now we're going to install this. I need to find a space to install these two, from where we can run these wires easily. Our wiring has been completed now. So here I have installed these two, and here's all the wiring going to tweeters. Speakers are installed. This wiring. So these are stick to this panel, so they won't coming off.